Hi, you're watching Exceptional Excellence with Willys. And this is the language series 19. It's been for a while that I haven't recorded a video. And so nice to come back with another video. By the way, thank you so much for all the 404 subscribers who made time to subscribe my channel, and also for the likes and shares and the comments that you have posted. It really mean a lot to me. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe my channel. And now we are going to learn today a few models, may and might in the first part, may have, might have, and must have in the second part. First, we will look at the use of may and might. There are three uses of may. The first one is to make a request, which we have already learned in one of the previous videos. And the second use of may is as a possibility, which also we have looked in one of the videos to talk about possibility. Something may happen or something may not happen. So when there's a stronger possibility, we use may. And whereas if the possibility is weaker, we use might. If the possibility is very less, then we use the word might. Like, I may go to the party today. If there are 50% chances or stronger chances of me going, I would say I may go to the party. If I'm 100% sure, of course, we will use will. I would use will. I will go to the party if I am very sure. And if I am not at all sure, then a very weak possibility, to express a very weak possibility, I would use might. The third use of may is to to convey wishes. And in that, we use all the pronouns except for I. So, may you live long, may he pass in the exam, may she have a safe travel or safe trip, may you prosper in life, may God bless you. So all of these words of blessings and expressing wishes to someone on special occasions, we use may. We started with may and we make a sentence. Second part is might. Might. There are four uses of might. Number one, most of the time we use might to express possibility, as I already explained. If it is a weak possibility, then we prefer to use might rather than may. The second use of might is for making suggestion. For example, I thought you might like this, so I bought you one. Or another example could be, I was wondering if you might be interested in visiting the museum. So you're making suggestion that we could go to the museum, or you're making the suggestion that you could have this. I thought you would like it, so I just brought it. Now we will look at the past models may have, might have, and must have. All of these mean the same. We call them past model because when we use them to express an action that happened in the past. So only the degree varies in the use of all of these three, and because it's a past model, but we use have, we will use the third form of the verb. Generally, with models, we use the first form of the verb, but if they are past models, then we use the third form of the verb. So may have if it is 50% possibility, and might have if it's a weak possibility, less than 50%, or you can say 20% possibility. But if it's a quite strong possibility, then more than 50%, like 80%, then we use must have. If you're pretty sure, you use must have. That's the only difference between all of these three. We'll look at an example. One of the bus drivers must have changed the lanes. One of the bus drivers must have changed the lanes. If you're 100% sure you saw it happening, then you would use will have. Otherwise, you would use any three of this. So if you say must have, it's strong, quite strong. The possibility is quite strong. And if it is just 50-50, you would rather say may have. One of the bus drivers may have changed lanes. And if the possibility is very weak, below 50, or you can say maybe 20, 25, 30%, then you would say one of the bus drivers might have changed lanes.